The first step is taking your 2 strings and folding them in half. Then you tie a regular knot so that you have a loop at the top and 4 strings coming down. Then take a piece of tape and tape it down. Pull 2 side pieces away and then leave 2 in the center like this. Then you bring the right strand under the center strands and over the left strand, and then you take the left strand over the center strand and under the right strand and pull it tight. Then you do the opposite on the other side, where you bring the right strand over the center strands and under the left strands, and bring the left strand under those strands in the middle and over the right strand and pull it tight. And you keep repeating that. The right strand under the center strands and over the left strand, and the left strand over the center strands and under the right strand. The right strand over the center strands, under the left, and the left under the center and over the right.